Hi, this video will cover how to create a new tenant in QGIS Web Client 2. And let's go ahead and log into our control panel. Okay, on the left menu, click on Configs or on Configuration on the dashboard. And currently we have only the default tenant. Let's add a new one now by clicking the Add New button. And the tenant we select from the drop-down here is going to serve as the template for our new tenant. So let's go ahead and give our new tenant a name. I'm going to call mine Satellite. Okay, and click Create. Okay, and our new tenant has been added, Satellite. And we can now go ahead and publish our QGIS project to the new tenant. So let's go to Data Sources, QGIS, and select the tenant we want to publish to. I'm going to select Satellite, the tenant we just created. And now let's select our QGIS project file. Mine's called Sentinel. And click Import. And we see the file has now been imported. And with our project uploaded, we can go ahead and run the configuration service. Be sure to select the tenant you're running it for and click Configure. You can click it here, or if you prefer, you can go directly to QWC admin and run it there. It's the same function. Let's go ahead, and we see that it is run successfully. And again, we could have run the configuration service from within the control panel as well. Okay, so we created a new tenant. We then published our QGIS project and ran the configuration service to configure the project. And now we can publish our map. Let's go to Maps, Add New, give our project a name and description. I'm using Satellite. From the tenant, select the new tenant we created, Satellite. And for the theme, we should see our Sentinel project we uploaded. Select that. Let's leave the thumbnail to default and go ahead and set our permissions here and click Create. Okay, and we should now see our map on the dashboard. Okay, and there's our map. And if we look at themes, we see there is just the Sentinel map that we uploaded. That is the only map for this tenant right now. Similarly, if we look at our Simple B map, there is just the Simple B map listed for themes, again, because it's the only map that we had published to that tenant. Okay, and just to note, we can see both maps there because we're logged in as admin. You would want to, of course, set the map permissions for the user groups that you have. And when that user group logs in, they will see only the maps that they have permissions to see.